And we have to keep in mind, over on the Bitcoin futures chart, we still have this area, this gap on the CME futures chart that we need to fill. The vast majority of the time, what's going to happen as you have a gap is the price is actually going to drop to surpass the absolute minimum of that level. Bitcoin saw a major drop in price today after it was released that Ledger dApps are actually compromising the Ledger wallet. This is not good news for anyone that hosts their crypto on the Ledger wallet. And in this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know, as well as price predictions concerning Bitcoin in this matter. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident IO, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We are so excited to trade with you. If you head down into the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access our membership at the very first link to get access to our 109 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, daily crypto metrics, and our $1 million profit account challenge. Get 60% off our indicators at the second link and join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Stop using dApps. Ledger library compromised with wallet drainer. Hardware wallet manufacturer Ledger has warned users not to connect to decentralized applications or dApps after a malicious version of the Ledger Connect kit was identified. A spokesperson for Ledger told Decrypt that we have identified and removed a malicious version of the Ledger Connect kit. A genuine version is being pushed to replace the malicious file now. Do not interact with any dApps for the moment. The spokesperson added that the Ledger devices and its Ledger Live app were not compromised, and that the firm will keep users informed as the situation evolves. Web3 security firm Blockade reported that the attacker injected a wallet draining payload into the Ledger Connect kit's NPM package, adding that dApps using versions 1.1.4 and above of Ledger's Connect kit, including sushi.com and hey.xyz, were affected. Now, as of today, we did see a significant drop in Bitcoin. In fact, as we check the metrics, you'll notice the drop take place, but it seems that the price of Bitcoin has recovered and is on its way back up as whale money continues into the market. While this is a still evolving situation, it seems like the Ledger team has remedied most of the effects, and it seems like they're pushing out new software updates as needed. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that our members are going to get access to a brand new future forecast video today. The schedule is usually Tuesdays and Fridays, but Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, really wanted to come out and teach some risk management strategies. Stay tuned for that video, and if we head into the trade setups page and scroll down, you're going to see we have 109 wins, 0 losses with 4 active trades today. Now, these trades were called out very recently. You do not want to miss out, so be sure to sign up for a membership to access these benefits. With that, we're going to head into the main page, scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, in yesterday's video, we talked about how the price of Bitcoin was dropping significantly, and we would likely see a drop into anxious territory. This is exactly what we saw today, and last time this happened, we saw significant moves to the upside. Right here, anxious, significant moves to the upside. Anxious, move up, anxious, move up, anxious, move up. Over and over and over again, anxious has been bullish. So at this point, we are expecting moves up incoming, although I could see a little bit further of a drop, especially if the news about the Ledger keeps getting worse. As of right now, I don't expect that to happen, but just in case, be on the lookout for a little bit further of a drop into anxious territory. Next up, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector. Despite the fairly sideways movement at this point, the breakout detector is still showing significant volatility in the market. As we even out and the price stops moving so drastically, we should be looking for drops below the breakout zone, just as we saw back here, in order to check for large moves in the market incoming. Now, as long as the metrics are pointing bullish when this happens, we should be seeing moves up, but beware, because moves down are still equally possible, depending on what the metrics are showing at the time we get a reading below the breakout zone. With that, I'm going to take you down to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to, and even the slightest bit of long sentiment at this point is bullish. Right here, long sentiment, move up, long sentiment, move up. Really, like a lot of long trade sentiment at that point. Crazy move up as well. So what we need to be looking for at this point is at least a small move up. We are looking at resistance right about here. I'll show you what that looks like on the live charts and a little bit further down in the metrics. But even a small amount of long trade sentiment should be considered bullish at this point. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Unfortunately, whales are still moving money out of the market. This is overall bearish. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as whale money drops out, we should see the price drop out as well. But keep in mind, we've used this right here, right around, let's say, the 45 range, as structure support multiple times on this metric. Even neutral readings at this point from the whale money flow relative to price chart should be read as bullish. So if we drop to that area, even though we would likely see moves down, possibly as far down as $40,000, we should be expecting moves up as soon as whale money begins moving back in the market. Next up, let's take a look at the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. We still have structure support at $38,000. That's the absolute bottom I'm looking at the moment. But we should be looking at structure resistance around $45,000 as well. We'll keep everyone updated on that. I'll show you more specific targets in the live charts. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. After receiving a beautiful strong sell signal, we are seeing moves down. And at this point, we should be looking for the price, if it continues upward, to post another sell or strong sell signal for another move down. Of course, this is not ideal, but we have a higher low at this point. Unfortunately, it is still possible we drop lower. I think $38,000 is the absolute minimum once again. And if the price drops towards that $38,000 level, I'm looking for a buy signal to confirm the next move up. No matter what, though, I'm paying very close attention to every single one of these metrics for Bitcoin. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes too. So it's crucial that you pay attention to the Bitcoin metrics. Now, our members get Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. We made sure in the Morning Brew overview to talk about the Ledger news. You're going to get the best crucial updates for news in the Morning Brew overview, access today's future forecast video coming out soon, access trade setups, all of this and more with the membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. Scroll down. The full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for, but hurry up because price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. It's going to give you access to everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click right here. Subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're heading into the live charts. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. What we're seeing right now is a bullish candle. It was bearish this morning, as we talked about, with a quick move almost all the way down to $40,000. But at this point, at least on the live charts, it looks like whale money is actually beginning to move back into the market. This is very exciting to see and could confirm a move up to that $45,000 level. Let me actually scroll down here a bit. Right here, $45,000. We have to beware though, because even if we move up and touch this resistance, we are expecting more bearish movements. This is a double top if we reject that resistance. And we have to keep in mind, over on the Bitcoin futures chart, we still have this area, this gap on the CME futures chart that we need to fill. The vast majority of the time, what's going to happen as you have a gap is the price is actually going to drop to surpass the absolute minimum of that level. And this is what it means to fill the gap. Now, if we take a look here and line up the cursor with the absolute bottom, this sits around $39,230 and the absolute top sits at $40,435. So the price needs to drop below $39,200 in order to fill the gap. And if we head back to the regular Bitcoin charts, the very first structure support between those levels is $37,999, or just an even $38,000. These are the two main reasons we are still expecting drops from the current price. At this point, I wouldn't be shocked to hit $45,000 first before that drop, but either way, we need to keep an eye on these indicators. Moves up in price versus whale money flow, as well as a 54% chance of a pump on the trades in favor, shows that moves up are pretty, I mean, like I said earlier, neutral readings are more bullish. So moves up are absolutely not out of the question. But once we see that, we are going to see price versus whale money flow high and trades in favor high once again. If we test this resistance and post another sell or strong sell signal, all three of these would combine to be extremely bearish. So we need to watch out. And if we head into the 4-hour time frame, we're going to see a similar story. But at this point, we're actually seeing more bearish readings on the 4-hour. Price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor high with a drop in the market. We should be expecting drops soon because this means whales have overbought and trades in favor is showing upwards momentum is running out. So be very, very careful with any of your trades at this point. Be sure to use solid risk management when you do so. And as the price rejects this resistance, it moves down. In order to find the next possible entry, we're looking for price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Check it out right here. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor even neutral at this point, saw moves up. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, crazy moves up. Very, very consistent in this market, especially as we transition into the bull market. I just showed you how well these indicators work, and I can already hear you. How do I get access to these state-of-the-art indicators? Well, let me show you, and best part is I'm going to get you a $550 discount. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. Scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack here is what you're looking for. Members get a significant $150 off right off the bat. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link once you have your membership. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in the coupon code, fill in your information. Click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400, giving you that full $550 discount. Go and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in today's future forecast video. Don't miss out.